been a really long time. Oh, and I have a septum piercing. Hello. I'm trying my best to film. Because today's kind of, I mean, it's not that sad. I mean, it's kind of sad. Penny's been recovering from surgery. I figured I'd do a get ready with me because I'm supposed to see the strokes today, but I sold my tickets because I have to take care of Pen. And before any of you come at me like, oh my god, she's a dog. She's not a dog. I haven't been able to do my makeup properly because of this thing, because it's healing and you can't really put makeup on it supposedly, and I don't want to test it. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I use I use these two products interchangeably. I use the Benefit one, and then I also use the NYX one. But I don't want to talk about the sadness. So I'm gonna go get an iced coffee right now and delete all my social media so I don't make myself sad. So for my brows, I've lately just been like doing brow gel. And I don't just like brush them up. I think I used to do that. But this will be fine. I steal one of my own spoolies. And I just kind of press them in. Can you see? I'll go closer. So lately I've been watching makeup tutorials on YouTube again, and I realized no one makes makeup tutorials anymore, so I'm gonna start doing those again. Because I like watching them when I go to sleep, just to like relax. It makes me feel like some type of ASMR way. So that's the difference in my brow. It just looks more groomed versus nothing. This isn't gonna be like a really intense makeup tutorial. All it is just me like making myself feel a little more cute, so just for myself, because really that's what it's about. This is my favorite brow because it's just so much easier to manipulate and it doesn't give me a hard time. And it just goes down so nicely. I've been really craving Alfred's, but the only Alfred's near me is in like Silver Lake, and that's like a 30-minute drive. I use these two, the e.l.f. concealers, because they're really affordable. They're hydrating supposedly, but I don't feel like they're that hydrating, but I also have really dry skin. So, oh, and for moisturizer, I've been using this guy from Dermalogica. It's really good, but I've been stressed, so I have a little bit of breakouts. Also, my nails are cute and spooky. I did them myself. Oh, and I did a little spider on my thumb. I have two colors. I'm going in with medium peach. I've been trying to grow out my unibrow again. I did it once before, but I think it was a one-time deal. Oh, I watched the new Halloween movie, obviously. I won't do any spoilers, just in case if you want to watch it and haven't yet. But I really recommend you watch it. It's really good. It's always nice to see Jamie Lee Curtis. I'd like to meet her in real life one day, but I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably like freak out. I'd be too shy or something. For primer, I like to use the Dermalogica Hydra Blur primer. It's really good. I'm gonna say everything's really good, obviously. It's my product. But I just put it ever so gently on my nose, because I've already learned my lesson. It doesn't hurt as bad as it did. It's been like a week since I've got it pierced. And it was all like on a whim too. Like, well, no, I've wanted it pierced for a while, but I was so scared to do it. But my brother was getting his ears pierced. Don't focus on Michael Myers, please. Thank you. My brother was getting his ears pierced, and I was just gonna go in and like help him out. And then I asked, I was like, oh, do you guys have any appointments this weekend for a septum piercing? And then she's like, oh, we can do it right now. And I was like, oh, okay. Okay. And they're really nice. I went to Somatic Piercing in Long Beach. I really recommend you go. They're really, really nice there. But yeah, this is my first piercing. Well, besides my ears, but You want to know how I got my ears pierced? Literally some random lady, no, I don't think she was random. Some lady, I can't remember exactly. She was a lady for sure, but I was like 4, 5, 6, 7 days old. I was pretty fresh from the womb, and you know, she shoved an earring in my ear and called it a day, and the piercings are still going strong. Thank God, because I probably couldn't bring myself to pierce them because I'm a scaredy cat. I mean, it took me 25 years to get this done. Well, I didn't want it since I was born. Okay, I'm being too literal. Anyways, I think it's like a Hispanic thing. Pretty sure. Oh, and then I go in with this shade medium sand to kind of conceal any other blemishes. I use it kind of like foundation. And then for my under eyes, I obviously go in with the same shade. Just so my face isn't like one solid color. I don't know. And then I take the e.l.f. like little sponge. I really like it. I haven't bought a beauty blender in a very long time. I'm not against them. I think they're expensive. And I don't really like foundation all over my face for like an everyday thing. I do like it for pictures and like for looks and stuff. My parents just got home. They took Valentina for a walk. Penny's pretty depressed because she can't go walk. She loves going for walks too. I think that's probably like the hardest part of her recovery, is her having to not be active, and she's like a really, really active dog. I feel so bad. And like she tries to be active, or a Mercier powder, but you know, she's been taking pain medicine. This is my favorite brush. It's Pat McGrath. I really suck at blending stuff out though, to be honest. So I have to make sure. I got this last year and I feel like I've barely put a dent in it. It helps bring back color to the face. My brother got a corgi. Its name's Billy. She's definitely something else. Well, she's a puppy. She's a lot of work. I'm gonna go in with the butter bronzer. I low-key kind of like this more than the Hoola bronzer. I don't know. I've been really into drugstore. And it smells really good. For lashes, I'm gonna use these Kiss So Wispy lashes. I use these and then the Ardell ones pretty often. But they give you like that lash extension look, since I personally can't do my own lash extensions. I'm kind of glad that the trend, well, it's not done, but like for everyday use of using like really, really bold lashes, those were fun, don't get me wrong, but they were heavy. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot blush. I need blush. I'm gonna get my blush. This is my favorite blush palette. It's the Roxy Makeup Revolution one. I kind of just take this little quad for every day. And then I blend it out with this brush, just to kind of make sure there's no harsh lines. Oh, and then lips. Let's see. You can't go wrong with Nutmeg by NYX. I'm just wearing like my comfort makeup so I can feel good about myself, like I said. Oh, I have a lip mask on. It does come out a little darker, but the mask, my lips are really dry. And that is my very first makeup tutorial back. And I promise I'll do like really cool makeup tutorials soon, but I'm just really sad today. But I don't want to say it and I don't want to admit it. But I'll see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you like my septum. Let me know what you, don't tell me what you think actually, because I can't take any like constructive criticism. I'll see you later.